Hi students, in my second class today, ISC specimen question paper, short type of question. In next class, question number 9 here. Here all question is 1 mark each. In ISC or CBSC, short type of question will be given for 1 marks each. And in ISC there are group A 65 marks and group B 15 marks or group C 15, this is or group C 15 marks. Total marks is 80. Total marks is 80. In group A there will be 15 short type of question will be given. Out of 15, 1 to 10 question will be given multiple choice. There is A, B, C, D. 4 choice will be given. You have to choose one, either A or B or C or D. And from 10 to 15, there is 1 mark question. You have to write the actual answer. All are 1 mark. This is 1 mark. From 10 to 15, 1 mark question, and this is that 10, 11, 12, 15. This 10, 11, 12, 13, 10, 11 to 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 question. Here is 10 question, and here is 5 question. 10 question is multiple choice, and remaining 5 question is 1 mark each. You have to write the answer, show the you are working everything, and in group and in 10 question you have to write this actual answer A, B, C or D, and remaining 50 marks from group A you have to write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Now let us do for specimen question paper short type of question. Let's do my next class. Sham number 9 is given. Question number 9. This is, you have to integrate this. Now do actual division. X square plus 1, x to the power 4 plus 1. There is x square, x to the power 4 plus x square. Minus 1. Minus 1 over x square plus 1. This is minus 1. Now, division value, this is quotient. Your this equals to, now we can write integration x to the power 4 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx equals to integration x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 all over dx. Now integrating this, x square integration is x cube by 3 minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. That is the answer of the given question. Next, sum number 10. Question number 10 is given. Find the equation of a line passing through origin and intersection of these two lines. We know equation of line passing intersection of two lines is equation of straight line intersection of x minus 2y plus 3 plus lambda into 3x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. The equation of the line, intersection of two lines is this, where lambda is any constant, and this line passing through origin means 0, 0. Now this origin will satisfy this equation, then this will be 0, 0, 3 plus, we can write, amplify it, not this. Here is writing x 3 lambda plus 1 plus y, 5 lambda minus 2 plus 6 lambda plus 3 equals 0. Now this line passing through origin, this will be 0, then 0, origin y coordinate 0 plus 6 lambda plus 3 equals to 0. Then lambda equals to minus half. Putting the value of lambda here, we can find the equation of the line. Therefore, equation of line x minus 2y plus 3 into plus minus half, lambda value minus half, 3x plus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. Now simplify this. 2x minus 4y plus 6 minus 3x minus 5y minus 6 equals to 0. 2x minus 3x is minus x, minus 9y, 6 cancel, that equals to 0. That is x plus 9y equals to 0. That is the equation of the line. 2x minus 4y plus 6. Here is minus 6. Okay, that is the answer. Next, sum number 10. Question number 10. 11. Question number 11. Here, y equals e to the power x log tan 2x. Find dy by dx, that is differentiation. Here, y equals to e to the power x log of tan 2x. E to the power x log of tan 2x. Now dy differentiating with respect to x, we can write differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, that is uv, productive derivative e to the power x d dx log of tan 2x plus log of tan 2x d dx e to the power x. Now equals to e to the power x, log x derivative 1 by x, that is 1 by tan 2x. Tan 2x derivative is x squared 2x, or for 2x this will be 2, plus log of tan 2x, and e to the power x derivative is e to the power x. We can take common, we can write this as it is a short question, we can 1 mark, we can write this is the answer also. Next, sum number 12. Question number 12. Solve e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dy by dx equals e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. So we can write dy by dx equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Now dx is coming here. Now integrating both sides. Actually it is differential equation oriented sum. We have to find this. Now integrating both sides, y equals to, now e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equals to z. Let e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx equals to dz. So here this will be dz by this is z. Then y equals to log of z plus c. That is log of z means e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. That is the solution of the even equation. Next, sum number 13. Question number 13. Here integration 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 2 cos 2x dx over 1 plus sine 2x. We have to integrate it. It is definitely integral sum, short type of question. Here, let 1 plus sine 2x equals to z. Substitute sine 2x equals z. Then differentiating cos 2x into 2 dx equals to dz. You got numerator. Now, as it is substitution, you have to change the limit. When x equals to 0, z equals to 1, and x equals to pi by 4, sine 2 into sine pi by 2 is 1 plus 1, z equals to 2. The integral limit will be changed 1 to 2, and 2 cos 2x dx is dz by z, that is log of z integration 1 to 2. That is upper limit, lower limit, that is log 2 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0, answer is log 2. That is the answer. Next, sum number 14. Sum number 14, simplify. Question number 14. Simplify. 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square, 1 plus omega minus 3 omega square. Simplify these. That is you have to find the value of this expression. We know it is omega q এর value is 1 and 1 plus omega square এর value 0. Complex number sum it is. Or omega is a cube root of unity. So here 1 plus omega square minus 3 omega, arranging this 1 plus omega minus 3 omega square. 1 plus omega square value is minus omega. 1 plus omega square value minus omega into 1 minus omega minus 3 omega. 1 plus omega value minus omega square minus 3 omega square. That is minus 4 omega into minus 4 omega. 1 plus omega is omega square, 4 omega square. That is 16 omega q, minus plus, that is 16 is the answer, because omega q value is 1. Next, sum number 15. Question number 15. It is matrix sum. Here A equals to matrix given 3 1 4 2. 3 1 4 2. Find A inverse. We know A inverse is 1 by mod A into adjoint of A. It is 2 into 2 matrix. We can find mod A equals to 6 minus 4, that is 2. And adjoint of A equals to, as it is 2 into 2 matrix, we can, these diagonal will interchange, this diagonal will be sign change. That is 2, 3, this is minus 1, minus 4. I am telling again, if you want to find adjoint of A, as it is 2 into 2 matrix, adjoint of A will be, this diagonal is interchange the elements and this diagonal will sign change. Element will be not interchanged, sign will be changed. That is this. Now A inverse 1 by mod A. Mod A is 1 by 2. Adjoint of is 2 minus 1 minus 4 3. That is 1 minus half minus 2 3 by 2. That is the A inverse of this matrix. Next, sum number 16. Here, question number 16. Y equals to cos x to the power cos x. Find dy by dx. In this sum, differentiation, as it is power sum, we have to take log of this, both sides, taking log both sides. Then log y equals to log of cos x to the power cos x. Now we know power will come first, then log y equals to cos log x. Cos log cos x. That is log x square is 2 log x. Like this. Now differentiating with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx. Now it is cos log x. Cos x log x. This is u, this is v. First cos x is constant. D dx of log cos x plus log of cos x is constant, d dx of cos x. Now dy by dx equals to y. Now doing different cos x. D dx of log cos x. Log x derivative 1 by x, that is 1 by cos x, and cos x derivative minus sin x, plus log of cos x derivative minus sin x. Then you know y value, y is this, y is cos x to the power cos x, and here minus sin x is common. We can take minus sin x is common. This and this cancel, that is 1 plus log of cos x. That is the differentiation. Dy by dx is this. Dy by, this is the answer. Now please make a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.